Here I have XIAOMI Redmi K30S, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So first of all, tap here. Next you have to select your language. Let's select English. Then tap next. Here you have to select your region. Let's select, for example, this one, Bahamas. Next you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any open network around you can just skip this step and set up and connect to the Wi-Fi later. Next you have to agree with user agreement and privacy policy and tap next. Then you can connect your SIM card, but if you don't have one on you, you can do it later anytime and skip this step for now. Next is the Google services. If you want them, you can just leave them. If you don't want them, you can disable them here. But anyway, you will have to accept Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Next, you can set up your password. You can set up fingerprint, you can only screen lock, but you can skip this step and set up a password later in settings. Then you have these additional settings. You can disable them here, you can leave them. It's for you to choose. Tap next, and then you have to select your theme, if you want to classic or limitless. I'll stay with the classic one. And that's it. Setup complete. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.